$500 a week, $2,500 a month, $30,000 a year. From a side hustle, you can start this week with zero prior experience and less than $50. In this video, I am going to show you the exact AI side hustle that is generating this kind of income for regular people in 2026. Not tech experts, not influencers, not people with massive followings. Regular people with a laptop and the right knowledge. Welcome back to Venture Void, where we break down the exact tools and systems solo founders and small teams are using to build real income without a big budget or a big team. Today we are talking about the single best AI side hustle for beginners in 2026, one that requires zero experience, zero following, and can generate $500 a week within the first 30 to 60 days. The side hustle is AI-powered social media management for local businesses. Here is exactly how it works. Local businesses, restaurants, salons, gyms, real estate agents, contractors, retail shops all know they need to be active on social media. Most of them have tried and failed. They post inconsistently, run out of ideas, and eventually stop altogether. Their pages go quiet and they lose potential customers as a result. You solve this problem completely using AI. Here is the exact process. You approach a local business owner and offer to manage their social media for $300 to $500 a month. You use Claude to write all the captions and content. It takes about 30 minutes per client per week. You use Canva to design all the graphics, another 30 minutes per client per week. You use a free scheduling tool like Meta Business Suite to schedule all the posts for the entire month in one session. About 30 minutes per client per month. Total time per client, approximately 2 hours per month. At $500 per client, that is $250 per hour of effective work. To hit $500 a week, you need 5 clients at $500 a month each, or 10 clients at $250 each. 5 clients is very achievable in your first 30 to 60 days if you approach this systematically. Here is how to land your first client this week. Make a list of 10 local businesses in your area that have weak or inactive social media pages. Walk in or send a direct message on Instagram. Say this: I help local businesses grow their social media presence so they attract more customers without spending hours on it themselves. I would love to show you what I could do for your business. Can I put together a sample post for you at no charge? Create one free sample post using Claude and Canva. Most business owners will say yes to seeing what you can do. Land the first client. Deliver great results for 30 days. Ask for a referral. Repeat. The tools you need: Claude free plan, Canva free plan, Meta Business Suite free. Total startup cost $0. Total time to first dollar, in as fast as you can land your first client. Here's the catch. This is not passive income. It is a service business. You are trading a small amount of time for money. The AI makes the time investment tiny, but you still have to show up, deliver results, and manage client relationships. The path to making this more passive is to raise your rates, systemize your process, and eventually hire a virtual assistant to handle the delivery while you focus on sales. Subscribe to Venture Void for weekly breakdowns of exactly how to build and scale this. Drop in the comments whether you are going to try this side hustle. I read every single one. See you in the next one.